jotona phung kaham sini da prosan song pai sok pai ka tei koek jona pai sok pai ko bro sok pai nai mono na singlai tongo ga watai bawajak amoni bagai mobile lo watai na kana disturb ngai thango okay mi awasang hazu gana gini mo khaini mung hazu nungna ka hazu gana gini tabok sung tekcha agok lai tongo okay jara paror nuhuri tondiro norok kicha naising norok kicha sini logerono sung naisingi tongo norok kicha chotoni bagi suri laide sing kicha watai ba kaisa jaga ma pastak laisinai jaga sabni saimia sinia okay noita saltong ya pun watai bu kaisa somosya no ngangke amo sabuni jaga nok thai saimia ai konor jaga watai ba lama kono sung bathak laika ge jara sini dol rok jara takbo phaisok paiako nono kobok nai sal chobui thangka watai phano nokha megla phano norok dati no phaikangke sanai watai manjak mane miya pro bai tini bai totrabo kichari yok mahing nokha totrabo yok mahing nokha ke sorry belum to mai pana kaman mai kogrok ka hamke saimaya kogrok kicha ka hamke saimaya no abon bagai joton na karsano ke ai pana kha khayo norok joton suri tunai non suri mane bisingtei non lob mane bisingtei ani sorry saya misang pana abna kate boino buskang agoi manai ne khaklayo kicha dol no mana singsinai dol no na singai baksa sokai bekengke to watai non sate kerida di tomo mal ke baksa ni sate kerai baksa ni sate tonggo gawan bagai sate tongkon sate besar te sini kene manjak layo ngabo te ko ekjona phai tongni kol khemba borno kitchen asin legena ya hambai so himlai tongo obongkha nini Brahmaputra river ni bridge so bridge more long distance is covered. You can see the beauty of Brahmaputra river. You can see the beauty of Brahmaputra river, and we passing Brahmaputra river on foot for first time. It's amazing. It's amazing and it's wonderful. It's wonderful. Onek Joda experience. So you can see the river inside the frame. So well, I can excited. What we manjak to in this drizzling. It's not a rain, just drizzling, and we passes this bridge, passes this river through bridge on foot. So you can see the beauty of this river. Wow, excellent.